Hey, this is Josh. We got a really cool episode for you. This is for you guys with YouTube channels that are trying to grow your following, grow your subscribers, get more views. This is built right into YouTube. It don't cost you anything, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to add a subscribe now button to the bottom right hand corner of your videos without having to buy anything. No third-party software. That's built right into YouTube. So start by going in the upper right hand corner, click on your icon, go to YouTube Studio, or click the blue button right there. When this page loads, you want to go over to settings. You want to click on channel and then branding. So what you'll notice is this is a watermark, and they're very specific on the type of the image and the size. So it needs to be a PNG or a GIF format, 150 by 150 pixels, 1 megabytes or less. And they'll tell you real quick, it'll give you an error message if it's too big, too small. If it don't fall within these parameters, they'll let you know pretty quick. So the easiest way to do this, if you can design one yourself if you don't have one, but you can also just go search Bing or Google, search for YouTube 150 by 150 icon. There's thousands of them, so we just picked one. So we're going to go back to this page here. We're going to click on Choose Image. We're going to go to the Download section, and we're going to pick the image that we downloaded. I'm going to add it here. Now, once you select the image, it's going to give you 3 basic options. So you can do it at the very end of the video. You can have a custom start time, so come in at whatever time you specify, or the entire video. And this is a brand new channel we set up. We've only got a couple videos, so we're just getting this going. So for now, we're going to do the entire video, and we're going to hit save. So once that saves, you want to go to your videos, and if you're just doing this, sometimes it takes a couple minutes. So we're just going to pick a video here. We're going to open it up. So like I said, if it doesn't come up instantly, give it a few minutes. All right, it's been about 5 or 10 minutes now. We refreshed the video, and boom, there it is. We've got our watermark in the bottom right hand corner, our subscribe button. It's got our channel name, big old red subscribe button there. It makes it really easy for your viewers to subscribe to your channel. So you're going to get more views. You're going to get more watched hours. It's going to help grow your audience way faster than before. And the best of all, it's free. You didn't have to buy anything. It's all built right into YouTube. So hope this helps. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.